Red is a color that evokes strong emotions. It symbolizes warmth, love, and even revolution. In many cultures, especially in China, it's a symbol of celebration and good fortune. However, red can also serve as a warning, signaling danger or problems. Orange is often associated with warmth and energy. On the negative side, orange can be linked to cheapness. Yellow, the color of sunshine, represents joy, happiness, light, and wisdom. However, it can also carry negative connotations such as warning when combined with black, forbiddenness, cowardice, or decay. Green is universally recognized as the color of nature and life. It symbolizes growth, vitality, and go. But it can also represent envy or madness depending on the context. Purple has long been a symbol of royalty. On the darker side, purple can also represent arrogance or even cruelty. Blue is often associated with daytime, calmness, information, and corporate imagery. However, it can also evoke feelings of coldness. Gray is a cool-toned color that conveys luxury, but it can also evoke feelings of sadness. Brown is a neutral color associated with comfort and nature, though it can also be linked to poverty in certain contexts. Black is the go-to color for sophistication, luxury, expense, and prosperity, but it can also symbolize darker themes like death, mourning, evil, mystery, or misery. Like and subscribe.